Hi guys, on the Gotway Nicolai tonight. We'll stop in a moment and just do a piece to camera. Yeah, got some news for the channel. Good news and bad news, don't worry. I'm on my usual little ride about. See if I can switch the camera around. Down by Wolves training ground. They're going down this season. Boo. Back in a mo. So I keep seeing these lime electric assist bikes dotted everywhere, but that's much better. One wheel fun. This is the Wolves training ground. So the bad news is tomorrow was meant to be a vlog with Andy, old Northern EMTB mountain biker, but because the weather's bad at the moment, it won't be happening. So we'll carry on for a bit longer and then I'll do a bit more to camera. Just stopped off now down by Aldersley, and as you can see it's nice and quiet, but every time I try and do some video there's bloody kids around or somebody walks across, so not very confident in front of a camera in front of people. So at the end of the vlog I will do the good news, bad news, but we're about to test my new gizmo. So let's try it out. Stay tuned. Sun's deciding to make a bit of an appearance. About halfway through now, the vlog. Trying out my new toy. Yes, I've had a DJI Neo. Just the drone though. So it's just simple, keep it in your backpack, no worries about controllers, get it to follow me. Well, let's go and see if we can get the train. And the battery lasts about 8 minutes, it's not too bad. But I picked it up for a bargain. Leave a comment below if you think you know how much I paid for my DJI Neo. Just the one, just Neo 1. And it's... Darren, you're not allowed to make a comment because you already know. Yeah, I'm going to do a little bit more filming. The bad news is the weather this weekend is going to be absolutely rubbish. It's Friday evening at the moment, but tomorrow is just a washout, and that was the day that looks like a train's going through my brain. Look, the angle it in my brain. It's come out the other side, not really. So this was meant to be the weekend. Andy was meant to be coming up to see me, but the weather tomorrow looks absolutely diabolical. Even though we're in the month of June, we had a heat wave last week and it's just gone cold this week. I've had to put my gilet on, darling, and it's a case of temperatures have dropped to like 35 degrees last week, and it's about 18 degrees average, which I believe is the average monthly temperature for June. I don't know. So let's do a little bit more recording along by Wolverhampton East Park. Back in a moment. That's it for this evening, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the drone footage. Like I say, any comments, put them below. What you think I paid for my DJI Neo. I got it on Marketplace, and the bloke knocked more price off than you can imagine. Just come from that direction, and I had to scoot around and go up there. But yeah, unfortunately, the rain this weekend looks no play, no bueno. So it's going to be, I think we're looking at the 27th Saturday of June, so fingers crossed the weather will stay better for that. And my new wheel should be here this week. I'm not telling you what it is until it comes, but I've had a bit of a dilemma with this, but as we do with all things in the UK since we've left the EU, it's jog on, Europe says to us. Anyway, until next time, guys, keep cooking on gas. Give us the thumbs up like I just did. Don't forget to click the ding dong. And until next time, hasta la próxima. Ciao.